What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a beautiful crochet hairstyle. Today I'm going to be using the Bliss Wave Afri Natural Bliss Wave crochet hair. This is my braiding pattern. I love to do this braiding pattern because you can put the hair on any side with the crisscross pattern. And here we go. Okay, so while I'm installing this beautiful crochet hairstyle, I just wanted to talk about some things that you should never say to a naturalista, a person with natural hair. Some things that you should never say to them. One of the things are, I like your hair better straightened. Like, okay. We naturals, we like to change up our hairstyles. We like to do different things. If you're like me and you wear weave from time to time, that's kind of like one of the things that I don't like people saying. Like, it's nice to give me a compliment and be like, yes, I like to see your hair like this. But then it's another thing to tell me you like to see my hair like this better than my natural hair, that kind of, it's a downer. Like, it's something that you don't say. Another thing that you don't say is you have good hair. Like, excuse me. Like, what are you trying to say? Other people don't have good hair? Once you have hair on your head, that is good hair. You have hair that's growing, it's thick, it's on your head, you're not bald. That is good hair. So I don't like when people say, like, oh yeah, you could go natural because you have good hair. Like, no, everybody hair is good hair, okay? Some of us take better care of our hair than others. Some of us have learned our hair more than others, but all hair is good, period. Another thing, I that you shouldn't tell a natural is, when are you going to get your hair done? Like, you've been having your hair like this for a while. When are you going to style your hair? Like, excuse me? So you don't think I just want to wear twists in my hair? I have that option. Don't you think that I just want to wear two big braids in my hair? Why is it that every time I do a style on my natural hair, people automatically assume that this is in preparation for an actual hairstyle? No, okay? No. This is my hair and I wear it how I want to wear it, okay? This is something that you just don't tell people, okay? Another thing, how did you get your hair to look so kinky? Like, it actually looked like kinky hair. Because it is like this. Like, God made me with this type of hair. Like, there's nothing I did to get my hair like this. It just is like this, okay? There's nothing I did to make my hair look like this. It just looks like this, okay? So that's kind of funny that people would actually say things like this, but they do. It's kind of sad too, but I guess if your hair is not like that, then you just ignorant and you just don't know. So you just say things without thinking. But anyways, another thing that you just don't say to a natural is, how do you do your hair? Like, how do you manage? What do you mean? what, what do you mean? How do I manage? How do you manage? Okay? How do you manage? The same way you manage your hair, however it is, that's the same way I manage my hair, okay? You have your shampoo routine, I have my shampoo routine. You have your styling method, I have my styling method. What do you mean? How do you do your hair? The same way you do your hair. Whatever routine you have, I have a routine too. So that's kind of like don't say stuff like that. It just comes off bad. And the next thing, I don't ever see your hair flat ironed. Like, you ever thought of pressing out your hair? You should press your hair. Yes, you should flat iron your hair. You should definitely, your hair will look so pretty if you just flat iron it. Like, do a blowout and then flat iron it. Like, your hair will look so pretty if you do that. Um, uh, yes. You know what? Exactly what it is that you're trying to say. Like, my hair does not look pretty now as is. Like, you feel that if I flat iron my hair, that it would look prettier than how it looks now in its natural state. Like, why would people think that it's okay to make a statement like that? I don't know. It bothers me. It bothers me really badly. Or like people say something like okay, if I have my head wrapped and I have some of my natural hair out, they'll be like, ooh, you rocking your African look today. Like what you trying to say? Like, aren't we all from Africa? Weren't we all initially from Africa? Isn't Africa the motherland? So it's like, what are you trying to say when you make little comments like that? It's like little digs. I don't like it. This is something that you don't say to naturals, okay? You you're looking to get consult, okay? So please, if you ever made this comment to a natural, don't do it again. Um, these are some things that naturals we just don't like to hear people say. Let me know in the comments down below if anybody ever said anything like this to you, and how did it make you feel? The style is almost done and I'm just closing it in. So I'm gonna show you guys how I close it in. So right now you could pretty much see how I am crocheting the hair. As you can see up top, I'm looping it once because I don't want the knots to be so visible. But in the back, I did loop it twice. But up front, you know, we don't want it to be too knottish. So I only loop it once. And this hairstyle, it came out really pretty. I love the curls, and I was telling her like, you know, when it gets frizzy, maybe she could like comb it out and see like how that looks, like if it looks like a nice twist out or something. I love crochet hairstyles. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you're new to this channel, let me know. Let me know that you love this video. Let me know some of the things that you want to see in future videos. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the comments. Let's have a chit chat. All right, bye.